Every single day, local businesses lose clients to voicemail. Not because they do not care, because nobody is there to pick up the phone. ElevenLabs just changed that completely. If you run a service business, this is the leverage play you have been waiting for. And if you help local clients grow their revenue, stay close. This is also the kind of service that local businesses will pay for month after month. The value is undeniable. My name is Paul James. I help freelancers and solo operators build real income using free and low-cost AI tools. What I am about to show you today is powerful. You are going to learn how to deploy a fully functional AI phone agent. Any local business can use this. One that sounds human, one that pulls from that business's own knowledge base, one that books appointments in real time without a single staff member involved. This is not a demo. This is a deployable service you can offer starting this week. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to the free prompts I use to turn AI tools like this into actual income. Here is the problem that makes this so valuable. A local business owner is juggling 5 things at once. A call comes in at 2 in the afternoon, they miss it. The caller hangs up without leaving a message. That caller books with a competitor 30 seconds later. That scenario plays out dozens of times every week across thousands of small businesses. Every missed call is a missed sale. No small business owner can afford to sit beside a phone all day. That is the exact problem the Perpetual Receptionist Protocol solves. This is the framework I use to deploy ElevenLabs voice agents for local clients. It feels professional, it stays consistent with the client's brand. It runs around the clock without adding any staff costs. The agent answers calls using the business's actual information. It qualifies leads and routes booking requests without the owner touching a thing. Let me walk you through how to build one inside ElevenLabs right now. Once you create an account on ElevenLabs, your dashboard opens a full suite of tools, text-to-speech, music generation, voice cloning, and more. The piece we are building with today lives under the developer section. Click on it and find ElevenLabs agents under the quick links menu. That is where the Perpetual Receptionist Protocol gets built. Move your cursor over the agents menu and select the plus icon to create a new one. ElevenLabs gives you 3 starting paths. Build from scratch, use a personal assistant template, or use a business agent template. For most local business deployments, go with the business agent. It handles most of the structural setup for you automatically. Here is where things get interesting. ElevenLabs prompts you to select an industry and a specific use case within it. The categories cover almost any local business type: food and beverage, health and wellness, professional services, home services. Under each industry, use cases include customer support, lead qualification, and appointment scheduling. Choose the one that fits your client. That selection directly shapes the system prompt ElevenLabs generates. Stay with me because this next piece is huge. ElevenLabs automatically builds out a full system prompt for the agent. It covers personality, tone of voice, core objectives, and guardrails. Those guardrails are critical. They keep the agent on topic and prevent it from saying anything out of bounds. If anything in the default prompt does not match your client, edit every line directly. I usually spend about 5 minutes tightening this to match the client's brand voice. After that, give the agent a name. Lock in the correct time zone for the business. Then write its opening line the first thing the agent says when a call comes in. Keep it warm, clear, and professional. First impressions on the phone happen fast. Now move into the voice selection section inside ElevenLabs. This is one of the most critical steps in the Perpetual Receptionist Protocol. The voice library has filters for language, accent, and gender. Preview several options before committing to one. The voice is what the caller experiences first. It determines whether they stay on the line or hang up in the first few seconds. Once you have the right voice selected, toggle on expressive mode. This adds emotional range and makes the back and forth feel like a real conversation. Most people never realize how much the model selection affects the caller experience. ElevenLabs gives you several language model options at different price points. The default works well for most local business builds. If the client needs sharper responses, you can swap the model anytime without rebuilding from scratch. Start on the default. Upgrade only if interaction quality is not hitting the mark. Now, here is where the Perpetual Receptionist Protocol earns its name. Inside the Knowledge Base tab, you upload the documents the agent draws from when answering questions. Think about what a real receptionist needs to know cold. Service offerings, pricing, hours, frequently asked questions, booking policies. You upload all of that one time. The agent references it on every single call from that point forward. No extra scripting on your end. No manual updates to conversation flows. Build it right once and it runs indefinitely. This part used to stress me out when getting these setups dialed in. Figuring out what to upload and how to format it well takes some trial and error. Once your process is set though, setup time drops significantly on every new client after the first. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to the free prompts I use to turn tools like this into real income. And if you want to see what my day looks like now that tools like these handle most of the heavy lifting, I have a vlog channel linked in the description below. Now let me show you the integrations layer, because this is where the value compounds fast. The integrations tab lets you connect your ElevenLabs agent to the tools a business already uses. Scheduling platforms link directly. The agent checks real availability and books appointments live during the call. If the tool a client relies on is not listed, you can build a custom connection. ElevenLabs supports MCP servers and webhooks for exactly that. The Perpetual Receptionist Protocol works because the agent becomes part of the business's existing workflow. It slots right into the operation. Here is the twist almost nobody talks about. The Perpetual Receptionist Protocol is not just a setup job, it is a recurring service. Businesses update their pricing, add new services, and change their hours regularly. Every one of those changes touches the knowledge base. That is your retainer. That is your reason to stay on the books month after month. Picture a solo massage therapist running a small wellness studio. She takes calls between sessions. Missed calls and unanswered questions kill repeat business. That is the #1 reason a first-time client does not come back. You spend an afternoon building her an ElevenLabs voice agent. You upload her service menu, her pricing, her booking policies, and her intake questions. You connect it to her scheduling platform. You set up a dedicated phone number through a third-party phone service. Now every call hits the agent immediately, appointments get booked in real time, questions get answered accurately from her uploaded documents. She finishes a session and her calendar has already grown. That is the Perpetual Receptionist Protocol running for a real paying client. And here is the part most freelancers miss entirely. That same setup also protects her from negative reviews. The agent removes friction points before they ever become a problem. The client experience is consistent every single time. When I was working out of my brother's garage, I had no budget and no connections. A service like this felt completely out of reach. Now ElevenLabs puts the infrastructure in your hands at almost no cost. The monetization model here is clean. Charge a one-time setup fee to configure and deploy the agent. Add a monthly retainer to keep the knowledge base updated as the business evolves. Offer an upgraded tier that includes outbound call automation. ElevenLabs supports batch outbound campaigns natively. That means follow-up sequences, lead callbacks, and appointment reminders all from the same platform. Each of those is a separate line item. Outbound automation alone is worth its own pitch conversation with the right client. The Perpetual Receptionist Protocol gives you a repeatable framework to pitch, build, and deliver all of it. Imagine your next 30 days once you land 3 local clients on this model. You have a repeatable system. You have ElevenLabs doing the heavy technical lifting. Every service business owner understands the missed call problem the moment you explain it. That is your pitch. That is your door opener. The service is tangible. The problem is universal. The solution is already built. When your ElevenLabs agent is ready, publish it. Then deploy it to a phone number so live calls can reach it. The deployment options include standard business phone numbers, WhatsApp integration, and outbound automation. Each of those is an add-on capability you can layer into higher tier packages over time. The market for AI voice agents is wide open right now. Most local business owners have never heard of ElevenLabs. Most have no idea a tool like this exists at this price point. You have the Perpetual Receptionist Protocol. You have a clear build process. The only thing between you and that first client is the conversation you have not started yet. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to the free prompts I use to turn AI tools into actual income.